So we're in Mountain Park and we're exploring nature. And we've heard of this thing called Nature Man.
We're
Now
hearing
we're gonna
noises. Kind of
explore
nervous. There's a big rock.
the wonders of Mountain Park.
Okay, hey, here's a bench. Let's rest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, look, some food. Sweet.
Mine! Ah! Oh my God! What is that? Right away! Ah! Ah! Ah!
What cheetah?
What is that thing? He's running away! What are you doing?
Can't open this cheese, man.
Ah!
What was that?
What is that thing?
Sounds like a bear.
I got it. Let's go.
Dude. Where is it? Get him! Stop! Stop! No! He got away!
My cheese! Why my cheese? My cheese! What's that noise?
What? What is that?
It looks hairy.
Oh my God! It's
bald at the same time. Ah!
it's the thing again!
Should we go after it?
Go chase it!
I got it.
Go! To the woods!
I'll catch up later.
Where is it?
I don't know. What is that?
Back here. What are you? We're losing it. I want
It's a high mountain.
Nature Man. Guess we'll never catch him.
Okay, we're setting a trap for Nature Man.
We're setting it.
Already. As soon as he comes, it's gonna be horrible.
Alright, it's ready. Let's go.
No, get him. Look what Drake made in nature.
Da-na-na-na.
The hot dog.
Hot dog,
Make it talk.
man.